This Korean bulgogi beef bowl combines sweet and savoury flavours with smoky marinated beef served over fluffy rice and finished with fresh, vibrant veggies. Top it off with an egg and you're good to go. So first off, we're going to slice our ribeye steak. Time to marinate our beef. Into this, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of Lee Kum-kee premium oyster sauce. Then a little bit of Lee Kum-kee pure sesame oil. Then Lee Kum-kee premium light soy sauce. And then a tablespoon of Lee Kum-kee chili garlic sauce. And now I'm gonna add in a teaspoon of black pepper, some cornstarch, and a little bit of sugar. So once your meat is marinated, it's time to get it in the pan. Once the beef is cooked through, we're gonna set it aside. Now to the pan, we're gonna add some ginger and some onion. Time to add in the beef. Now we're going to top it off with a fried egg. It's time to plate up. I have some brown rice here and I'm going to put some of my delicious bulgogi beef inside. We're going to add a little bit of freshness to our bulgogi beef bowl. So we're going to add in some fresh cucumber slices, carrot, and to top it all off, we have our fried egg. To finish, a sprinkling of our roasted sesame seeds. Perfect. I'm going to go in for a quick little taste. Wow, this bulgogi beef is packed full of flavour, so comforting. Definitely will excite your taste buds. You have to try it.